It's black and white.
Hi guys. Welcome back. In this second lesson, we will dive into the templates section by Canva. Let's choose YouTube thumbnail. This is the templates toolbar. This is the tool provided by Canva with more than 50,000 templates free to use and edit. You have templates for most of the topics you may need of. Let's try this. Let's delete this one. Let's change the position of this one. Let's keep it in the corner. Let's find a text. Now, we will rename it as Desert. We will change the size of the font. Make it half size. Click on the Effects knob. We will go through this background remover later in this course. We have lots of effects to try out. Let's attempt some effects. You can install your effects like this. You can integrate lots of effects just by one click. As you can see, after finishing this course, you can try these effects and find which suits your design very well. This pixelate makes your design appears in pixels. We can edit the pixels too. Code art lets you make your design in a futuristic letter mosaic style. Let's change some presets and find which is the finest. For now, let's delete the design. Let's try another template. Before that, we will resize the page. click on this and it will be in your page immediately. We can add or remove anything more this. Check out this templates. As I said, we have changed the appearance of the sketch in seconds. Again, we will resize to discover new templates. In desktop wallpapers, we have lots of wallpaper which you can directly export and change it as your desktop wallpaper. Still, we will try to edit a wallpaper. Let's rename it. No pain, no gain. That's a great quote. Make the rectangle accurate for the quote. It looks cool. Let's try changing the background. This looks astonishing. We have lots of landscapes background. Let's export this by clicking download. Let's select PNG. So in next lesson, we go through elements section. See you in the next lesson.
Like a Hellcat.